Hello ladies and gentlemen and non-binary friends, and welcome to what is our home for the next month or so. It's a RV, we're 3 inside, it can accept up to 5 people. It's 25 feet long, 12 feet high and 10 feet wide, so it's huge. We even have a dog on the door. We still don't have a name for him, so if you have any idea, please let us know in the comment section. Shall we go inside? Hey, welcome inside our little RV. Here is the main space where we apparently don't tidy our clothes. So this is the main space where we walk and eat and edit our videos. Over there we have the filming equipment and a bunch of Nicholas stuff. There is another closet over there where we put our food, and here is the kitchen. We have burners that use propane to cook our food, and over there is a microwave that we cannot use because we don't have electricity or a generator, because we mainly do backcountry and free campsite. We usually don't have an electricity source. We also have a sink over there mainly to do the dishes, with a water pump. The water can be heated with the propane as well, and the fridge uses propane as well. Thing is, it's not like your regular fridge at home. It doesn't use electricity, it uses gas. So it can take up to 6 hours before cooling. So we have to be very careful when we take something from the fridge, because they use a lot of propane. Over there is Chris's bed. Nick and our bed is on the top where the camera is actually. Hello. In day use we mainly use it for storage, because my clothes are on these 2 drawers over there and Nick's one are stuck there. So it's a small RV for 3 people. It says the table can convert into a bed, but I don't really think that 5 people can sit there. And we can move on to the back with the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. We have also a little sink over there where we mainly keep the first aid kit and the toothpaste in there. And here is the bathroom. I told you like 1,000 times already, you push and you flick. Push and flick. So here we are. This is the bathroom. Simple but useful. The pressure on the shower is not the best, but it works. We have hot water with the propane gas, which is very useful when it's super cold outside. So I hope you've liked this little tour of our RV. If you want to rent one, you can go on cruisecanada.com or cruiseamerica.com. The American one came with a generator. We don't have one in the Canadian one, but we're really happy of how well it has been running for us so far. Feel free to ask any question you might have in the comment section, whether it be about our trip or about the RV itself. And you can also subscribe to make sure that you are notified every time we upload a video. For now it's gonna be the road of our road trip, the story behind it. And if you have any question, any recommendation, anything you want us to do, please let us know in the comment section. See you next time.